Hello, my name is Crystal. I had my field placement at a nonprofit that helps foster families. I was a case manager intern, and they actually hired me back in March. But I worked with the families and volunteers, connecting them for our programs. I would do intake assessments and find out their needs and see what kind of volunteer would be best for them. We would look at financial support or just like community support or babysitting needs. Um, we also started a program for youth where we would match youth with a mentor, and that was actually very fun for me. I was nervous about that one, talking with the youth and stuff, but that ended up being great. The youth have been great, and finding that perfect mentors has been so exciting. Um, my goals. I'm actually looking into counseling centers for my next internship. I want to work with children in the future, specifically children of combat veterans or active duty military members. Um, and so I'm looking into some counseling centers that focus not only on veterans but children as well. That seems that seems where my focus has been heading and continues to head. Um, challenges. Honestly, I feel sometimes like my bachelor's is not in social work, so this is my first experience with social work, and sometimes I don't feel quite up to par. I feel like my internship sometimes too wasn't. It was more macro, and so sometimes I feel like I'm not really ready for micro. Necessarily seeing clients one on one or in group therapies or anything like that. So I am nervous about not knowing enough and not being prepared for what's coming. But I'm hoping the classes will just keep reinforcing um, everything that I need to know and getting me ready.